Hey everyone! Today, we're going to talk about how to quit smoking in a step-by-step way that's backed by research and experience. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! The first step in quitting smoking is knowing why you want to quit. This might sound obvious, but it's really important. You need a clear, strong reason to quit because that will help you stay focused when things get tough. Maybe it's for your health, your family, or because you're tired of being dependent on cigarettes. Write down your reasons in a notebook or on your phone and keep them handy. According to a study done by the American Cancer Society, having a clear reason to quit can double your chances of success. When you know what you're fighting for, it's easier to stick to your goal. Next up, set a quit date. This is the day you will stop smoking completely. Some people like to quit gradually, but research from the University of Oxford has shown that setting a firm date and quitting cold turkey actually leads to better success rates in the long run. So pick a date, mark it on your calendar, and tell your friends and family. It's crucial to choose a date that's about 2 weeks away. This gives you enough time to prepare mentally and physically, but not so much time that you might lose motivation. Use those 2 weeks to get ready by cutting down on cigarettes and planning ahead. Know your triggers. Before your quit date arrives, it's essential to identify your smoking triggers. These are the situations, places, or emotions that make you want to reach for a cigarette. For example, some people smoke when they're stressed, others when they drink alcohol, or even when they're bored. Write down your triggers in that same notebook. Then, think of ways to avoid or manage them. For example, if stress is your trigger, maybe you can go for a walk or do some deep breathing exercises instead of lighting up. A research study from the National Institutes of Health found that those who recognize and manage their triggers are more successful in staying smoke-free. So this step is all about preparation. Consider nicotine replacement therapy, NRT. Nicotine is the addictive substance in cigarettes, and it can make quitting tough. But here's some good news: nicotine replacement therapy, NRT, can help. Products like nicotine gum, patches, lozenges, and inhalers deliver a small dose of nicotine without the harmful chemicals found in cigarettes. The Mayo Clinic found that people using NRT were more likely to quit smoking successfully, especially when combined with a good quit plan. So, if you're struggling with cravings, NRT might be worth considering. Talk to your doctor to see which method might be right for you. Build a support system. Quitting smoking is tough, and doing it alone can feel even tougher. That's why having a support system is critical. This could be your friends, family, or even a quit smoking group. Studies from the American Lung Association show that people who have support are much more likely to quit smoking successfully. Tell the people around you about your quit date and ask for their help. Whether it's giving you words of encouragement, avoiding smoking around you, or just being someone to talk to, their support will be key. You can also look for quit smoking apps or hotlines. These resources offer advice, encouragement, and even professional counseling if you need it. Handle cravings and withdrawals. Now, let's talk about cravings. They're going to happen, but you can manage them. Cravings usually only last 5 to 10 minutes, so distract yourself until they pass. You can chew gum, drink water, take deep breaths, or even go for a quick walk. If you're prepared for these moments, it'll be easier to handle them. And remember, withdrawal symptoms like irritability, trouble concentrating, and anxiety are temporary. According to Harvard Medical School, most withdrawal symptoms will peak within the first week and will lessen after that. So hang in there. Change your routine. This step is super important. A lot of people smoke out of habit, like having a cigarette with their morning coffee or after meals. Breaking these patterns will help you stay smoke-free. If you usually smoke after eating, try brushing your teeth or chewing gum instead. If smoking is part of your break time at work, try going for a walk or calling a friend instead. Changing your routine will disrupt the automatic reach for a cigarette and help you form new, healthier habits. Reward yourself. Finally, quitting smoking is a huge accomplishment, so reward yourself. Every day, week, or month that you stay smoke-free is a victory. Put the money you would have spent on cigarettes into a jar and use it to treat yourself to something you enjoy. Maybe it's a new pair of shoes, a dinner out, or a weekend getaway. Research from the University of California found that small rewards can help keep you motivated during your quit journey. So celebrate your wins, big or small. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your health, and the steps we've talked about today can really make a difference. Remember, it's a journey, and it's okay if you stumble along the way. What matters is getting back up and keeping your eyes on the goal, a healthier, smoke-free life. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with anyone you think could benefit from this advice. And, of course, leave a comment down below if you have any questions or if you'd like to share your own quit smoking journey. You've got this, and I'm rooting for you every step of the way.